Hello friend, today I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft hack version on Android device. First you need to app. How to download to app I already make videos, so you want to see, you will see from YouTube description below. Okay, then first you need to go to open to app. In you need to allow something that come like this, and here you will see top of Minecraft Minecraft unlock. Tap on here, and here you will see top of, here is the hack version. Here you will see this is the hack version, and so easy and fast to download hack games, hack apps from this app. To app, this is very good app. I will show you in download, and here you will, my download has been started, and I will show you here live. You want to see, here you will see live is very 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. You will see live how many live, and here you will see here anything is hack. Here everything is hack, and you will find this is not a fake hack downloading, friends. This is real. I will show you in this video, and thank you for watching guys. Like and subscribe my channel for new updates.